Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, August 30th. It's 6:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's just about 2 hours after the regular session close. I'm just getting around to recording today's video. I'll bring over the time and sales here. We can see the last trade on the EMini SP at 2175.50. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, a pretty decent day for the auto trader. First up is the gold contract on the Super 6 tick. If I scrunch up the chart, we can see the equity curve. There was a number of trades today, hardly any drawdown, a couple of losers right here in the opening of the session, and then it was pretty much straight up from there with a couple of really nice trades towards the end of the session. You can see here very excellent placement, number of winners in a row, a small loser here. Just looking at the losers, they're relatively small compared to the winners. So this actually hit its goal. We go to trade management here. We had a goal of 1500, so I believe we probably got some slippage on the end here. Okay, next up is the crude oil and the Super 6 tick. This did 1020 for the day. This is using our line break module, and there was a number of trades, but the goal for this is 1500, so it turned up just shy of its goal today. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Super 7 tick, and it looks like there was about 4 trades. There was a small short trade here, made a tick or two, a small loser, and then a couple of solid winners here, a really solid short trade followed by a winner, and then we hit our goal of 1200 on this chart. And that was it. There was tremendous volatility in the crude oil today. We had a sharp sell-off in the first hour trading, about 10 o'clock. We went from a high of in the 4750s area and dropped down to about the 46 level. And the market in the crude currently trading at 46.14 as we speak. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 34-second line break chart, and this kind of represents the volatility I was speaking about. We can see the sharp sell-off here, a couple of really excellent trades on the line break chart, although it missed the short on this particular chart, but on our 10-second line break chart, it went short here at about 47.11, and the position is actually still open with a P&L of about $1,900 in our open profit. I'll just bring over that chart real quick. So this is our 10-second line break, and you can see our open P&L here of 1920 versus an offset of $400. So this is up about 1,500 as we speak and has not closed the position yet. Back to our 34-second line break chart, we have a goal of 2,000. So we came up shy of our goal, but still a respectable performance on the 34-second line break chart. Okay, next up is the Japanese yen, and this starts trading at about 3 or 4 in the morning, and we had a little bit of a drawdown here, not too much, just a few $100s, and then it was mostly up after that with some really nice trades coinciding with the open of the US session here. We see a couple of really nice short trades here, and that resulted in $700 profit for the day. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on the Super 6 tick, And it looks like we hit our goal of 700 on a single trade. Let me just confirm that the goal is actually 725, so we probably had 1 tick of slippage or 2 ticks of slippage when we hit our goal. Remember, the auto trader executes a market order if your daily goal is touched. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please have a look around our website or feel free to email us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.